Grok AI is not free anymore, and most people don't even realize it. If you've been seeing videos claiming you can use Grok AI for free with some secret trick, yeah, that's not the full truth. Most of those methods either take you to random third-party websites or tell you to use temporary emails to log in unlimited times, and honestly, that's not something you should be doing. So let me show you what actually works and what doesn't. First, open your browser and search for Grok AI. Make sure you open the official website, not some sketchy link. Once you're in, you'll land on the main chat interface. On the right side, you'll see different modes like Auto, Fast, and Expert. You can pick any of them or just stick with Auto if you're not sure. Now here's the important part. The free version is limited. You won't get unlimited generations, and you also won't have access to advanced features like high-end image or video generation. But you can still use it. Just click on the input box, type something like, "Image of a happy dog." Hit send, and within seconds, you'll get a response. That's basically all you get for free right now. If you want full power, unlimited usage, and advanced features, you'll have to upgrade to a paid plan. No shortcuts, no hacks. That's just how it is. If this helped you understand how Grok actually works, drop a like and subscribe for more real AI tips.